Hey guys, it's your Tuesday. What? Here with my cousin, Lily. Say hi, Lily.
Hi,
Say
Lily.
hi. Anyway, so we just arrived to her house after like 10 minutes of sitting outside waiting for her parents to come home. No big deal. Oh my god, this video is so late. I'm so sorry. Sorry about this mess. It's summer. Kill me. Okay? Anyway, I was with my cousin all day yesterday. That's why this video is late. And we were making a music video for my other channel. It should be up later today, so go check it out. Subscribe to me because my channel is like awesome. This week's challenge is to do stand-up comedy. I feel kind of awkward doing stand-up comedy while sitting down. But who am I kidding? I'm too lazy to stand up, so this will have to do. So, I don't really have jokes. I'm not a funny person. I'm just mean and people think I'm kidding. I don't really know, like, I don't know how to do stand-up comedy. What is that? Well, I was driving down the road the other day on the way to camping, because I'm a bear. We're driving, and we're coming up this road, and there's this sign, and it says, falling rocks. Here's the question, what do? Do you continue to drive forward, taking the risk of a huge boulder coming in and damaging you and your family? Or do you turn around and say, let's just forget this camping trip? What do? Was that stand-up comedy? I don't know. See you next Tuesday.